on this habit tracker, and this habit tracker is literally going to be a game that you're going to play with yourself, right? So you're going to pick your habits, you're going to list them out here, and for every day of the week, you can check them off. Now, this is not where you're going to check them off. There's other places where you're going to check it off, but you just want to define your habits here, right? So list out the habits, use AI, do some research, and come up with the habits that you want to use to propel you and automatically get you towards your goal. Remember, you're already acting in habitual ways right now, right? And they're taking you maybe away from your goal, or they're keeping you where you're at. Can you now intelligently define and design an automatic behavior that becomes automatic over time, where it's effortless, where it's taking you in that direction? So that's the real key here. And again, blue button, you can just click new habit, right? When you click a new habit, also, just to show you, you don't need to check anything off here. You're just defining the name, right? So give it a name. And the other piece here is some tips and some strategies, right, around when selecting habits or routines. So this kind of gives you some, create reminders in your environment, make the habit easy to start, most effective habits and routines. Why am I doing this specifically? Here's a little mess up here. Example goal and how you would answer this, right? So here's my goal, here's the habit, and then here's the environmental reminders, make it easy, effectiveness, what's in it for me, right? So those things can be put here, right? So you're going to see what is this habit, what goal is this habit related to? So you're going to click here and pick the goal, right? That is related to reminder. So you could literally write what the reminder is in your environment. Don't worry about score, that's going to be tracked. What's in it for me? You definitely want to have what's in it for me. Like, why am I doing this habit? Like, what do I get out of this? Why is this important, right? And so when you fill that out, you could literally just click this button here or click out of it, and it'll take you. Well, actually, you got to click there. Sorry. But once you've defined your habits, I would say no more than 10 habits. Too many is too many to keep track of, and start small, start gradual. You want to build out your habits over 21 days, right? The first push is 21 days. After that, the next push is 60 days. Once you hit 60 days of doing something, it's going to be ingrained in you. It's going to become automatic. It's going to be effortless, right? To just behave in that way. And so this is going to help you to track that and make it a game, right? So as you see, as you're checking these off, it's giving you a score, and here's your total, right? So at the end of each week, you're going to actually do a review, and you're going to say, how many habits did I hit? What was my habit score, right? So, however many habits times 7, that would determine what your, the total possible score is, okay? So once you're done with your habits, you're ready to move on to the next step, which is the 90-day planner, which is the core of the system, okay? So in order to navigate there right now, you can literally click this button up here, which is called a breadcrumb, or you can click here, the 90-day planner. You're going to see it here, right? So I'm going to just go all the way back to show you where it's located. Again, it's under this video here. You're going to see 90-day planner, right? It's also here. So just go ahead and click the 90-day planner.